Porto Metropolitan Area is a metropolitan area in coastal northern Portugal which covers 17 municipalities, including the city of Porto, making up the second biggest urban area in the country. Porto Metropolitan Area was created in 1991. It is a union of metropolitan municipalities, comprising both former Grande Porto subregion and Entredouro e Vuga subregion, which were two NUTS 3 subdivisions, as well as parts of Avenue subregion and Tamega subregion. The population in 2011 was 1,762,524 in an area of 2,040.31 square kilometers. Currently the most populous municipality is Vila Nova de Gaia, which is located on the south side of the Douro River, on the opposite side of Porto. History. The original metropolitan area of Porto was constituted by 9 municipalities: Porto, Espinho, Gondomar, Maia, Matosinhos, Povoa de Varzim, Vila Nova de Gaia, Valongo, and Vila do Conde. The process of enlargement. Arouca, Oliveira de Arazimais, Paredes, São João da Madeira, Santa Maria da Feira, Santo Tirso, Trofei, Vale de Cambra. Government. The metropolitan area is governed by the Junta Metropolitana do Porto, headquartered in Avenida dos Aliados, in downtown Porto under the presidency of Hermínio Loureiro, also the mayor of Oliveira de Arazimais municipality, since the municipal elections held in 2013, when he succeeded Rui Rio, mayor of Porto. The Assembleia Metropolitana do Porto is composed of 43 MPs. The PSD party has 20 seats, the PS 16, the CDs 3, CDU 3 and the B1. Although the government has halted the intention of creating new metropolitan areas and urban communities, it is keen to ensure greater autonomy to Porto and Lisbon metropolitan areas, urban areas and agglomeration. Greater Porto is the second largest metropolitan area of Portugal, with about 1.7 million people. It groups the larger Porto urban area, the second largest in the country, assembled by the municipalities of Porto, Matosinhos, Vila Nova de Gaia, Gondomar, Valongo and Maia, a smaller urban area of Povoa de Varzim and Vila do Conde, which ranks as the 6th largest in continental Portugal. The new Regional Spatial Planning Programme recognizes both urban areas and engages in the development. There are some intentions to merge the municipalities of Porto with Gaia and Matosinhos into a single and greater municipality, and there is an ongoing civil requisition for that objective. The government also started to discuss the merging of some municipalities due to conurbations, but gave up. There is a similar idea for the conurbation of Povoa de Varzim and Vila do Conde, and both municipalities have decided to work as if both are the same city, cooperating in health, education, transports and other areas. Several municipalities of the metropolitan area also moved closer, thus becoming a cohesive group. The urban metropolitan agglomeration known as Northern Western Urban Metropolitan Agglomeration or Porto Metropolitan Arch is a regional urban system of polycentric nature that stretches far beyond the metropolitan borders, and includes circa 3 million people, which takes in other main urban areas such as Braga and Guimarães, the third and 8th largest cities of Portugal. One should also note that the entire region of northern western Portugal is, in fact, a single agglomeration, linking Porto and Braga to Vigo in Galicia, Spain. Population. Transportation. The metropolitan area is keen to develop its transportation network. Porto Metro is a rapid transit system that links the municipalities of Porto, Vila Nova de Gaia, Matosinhos, Gondomar, Maia, Vila do Conde and Povoa de Varzim. The Porto, Francisco de Sá Carneiro Airport, Pedras Rubras, between the municipalities of Maia, Matosinhos, and Vila do Conde, is also one of its greater investments. It was transformed from an old and obsolete airport to a modern transportation center, linked to Porto Metro. The JMP is also trying to pressure the government to add a TGV line to link Vigo in Galicia to Porto Airport in order to make Porto the air traffic center of the northwestern Iberian Peninsula and to tighten its historical ties with that Spanish province. Greater Porto is served by a great number of motorways linking the main central areas of the metropolitan region and the region with other main Portuguese cities. Main harbour, Lixos, motorways, A1 Lisbon, Porto, A3 Porto, Valenca, A4 Porto, Quintanilha, Espanha, A7 Povoa de Varzim, Vila Pouquita Aguiar, A20 Carvalhos, No de Francos, A28 Porto, Camina, A29 Angejar, Porto, A32 Oliveira de Azeméis, Porto, A41 Perafita, Espinho, A42 A41 Felgueiras, A43 Porto, Aguiar de Sousa, A44 Gulpilhas, A20